Thanks for tuning into the GLPDC podcast. We're just doing a quick little hello today. This is William over in Chicago. I'm with Rhonda Baird from Bloomington, Indiana.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just checking in to let you know who won the drawing. So we were asking you to sign up for our mailing list on our website. And a few of you did. Thank you very much for that. And the winner of David Holmgren Principles and Pathways Beyond Sustainability is Stacy Stern. So congratulations. We'll be getting in contact with you and getting your info so we can get your book off to you.
Yes, yes. And we also just wanted to remind everybody we have the Urban Permaculture Course workshop coming up on March 30th in Chicago. And we want, to invite you to go ahead and get on the mailing list so we can stay in contact. And register, go to our website and register for that event for that day. We're really excited about being able to spend a day talking about permaculture in the city and all the different things that come through with that. Yeah.
Let me jump in on you there and just point out, I think for a lot of people, when they think of permaculture, they think you have to have land, some large amount of land to do permaculture. You can practice permaculture in apartments, even in tight spaces. It's possible at every level, at every scale. So don't let that keep you away from coming to this event and seeing what we have to offer. And yes, as Rhonda was saying, there's big course load coming up. All of that is on our website, glpdc.info. Let us urge you again to sign up for that mailing list. It's our best way to get content to you, and we're not limited by the algorithms of Facebook. As far as what you see, this will always turn up in your inbox, so it is a sure thing. Please do that.
All right. Well, until next time, take care.
See you soon. Thanks.
Bye.